So we have learned the list of the basic practices. So in the preparation, under the preparation of the soil, there is a method. So there is a basic practices of crop production. The first one, preparation of the soil. So preparation of the soil, that is the one. So where we are loosening the soil. So this process, what is this process is called? Let us study tilling or ploughing. Tilling or ploughing, the process of loosening. The process of loosening and turning of the soil. The process of loosening. So I will use one instrument, implement. So this instrument, so are the tool, so where it will loosen and turn the soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. So in that, so there is an instrument called the plough. Here, plough is made up of iron or wood. So since we are using this instrument, so we are using in ancient times also for to loosen the soil, maybe to add the manure or fertilizer to the croplands and also to remove the weeds, etc. So we are using plough. So plough is made up of wood or iron. So it is an instrument or an instrument used in agriculture practices. So why I must plough the field? So while ploughing the field, so the farmer will plough the field. So that is nothing but ploughing, tilling or ploughing. In tilling, so the process of loosening and turning the soil. So while he was doing, so the instrument that is called the plough, a wood plough, it is connected with a beam and beam on the neck of the bull or maybe oxen or maybe some animals. So the wood, so this wood instrument is drawn by a pair of bulls with a beam. So here the plough is made up of wood and iron, consists of different parts. So when I plough the field, there will be big clumps of the soil. So maybe we know that all the soil types, different types of the soil is present. Maybe red, loamy soil, clay soil, dry soil, etc. So when I plough the field, so big clumps of the soil will be there. So after ploughing, so plough the field, so we can see the big clumps of the soil. That is nothing but crumbs. What is crumbs? Crumbs are nothing but big clumps of soil. So when I plough the field, when I turn the soil, these clumps will form. So these clumps, these are called the crumbs. So whether I should allow as it is? No. So after that I should level the field. So this is nothing but leveling. So this leveling using an instrument. So a tool that is called leveler. So when if I use the leveler using the bulls only, so this soil will be in the proper layer where I can give or where I can give the irrigation or maybe so the good irrigation system can be provided when I level the field. So let us study what is a plough. Plough is an instrument or a tool used in agriculture practice, especially in ploughing. There are three instruments used. One is a plough and another is a hoe and then the cultivator. There are three instruments and the tools we are using. So plough is consist of, as I said, it is made up of iron or wood. So these will be used in ancient times also, since it has been used in the ancient times, but still we are using some instrument like this and some are, so now it is in different techniques we are applying with machines, etc. So this plough consists of long log of wood. This is called plough shaft. Plough shaft, a long log of wood, that is called plough shaft. Another is triangular in shape or a triangular strip. So this is nothing but plough shape. So the long log of wood, that is nothing but plough shaft, is connected with is connected with a triangular strip that is called plough share. So and then it is connected with the two handles, etc. So the former will hold the handle, and it is connected to a beam. So on the neck will be fixed to the neck of the pair of bulls. So this is an instrument to rotate or to loosen the soil or to turn the soil in an easy way. So while ploughing the field, so if it is dry land, you cannot easily plough the field, especially the farmer. So I should irrigate first, that is to moist the soil first and then have to use the method. Second, so the soil particle, by loosening the soil, so the farmer will add the manure also sometimes, or the fertilizers. So the reason is, what is the reason? So the reason is it will rotate and it will turn and it will mix together. So it is a good nutrient to the crop plants. So that is the one. The first step, preparation of the soil, that is nothing but tilling or ploughing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. So what is an advantage? Because it is included. So the one advantage is I can rotate the soil, I can loose the soil. Soil gives the air content, and soil maybe the rotation of the microbes, earthworm, or maybe the rotation of the nutrients to the top layer is possible through ploughing. So this ploughing includes, so after plough the field, so we can get the clumps, big clumps of the soil, that is nothing but crumbs. So these crumbs will be removed, or maybe it will be turned into a soil, that is because of with the help of a leveling, that is using leveler. So after that I irrigate the land, so I will give the water to the plant, crops, etc. So now the plough consists of a long, it is made up of wood or iron. So since it is used in the ancient times also for to turn the soil, to add the manure to the plants, and also for the weeding, to remove the weed in between the crop plants. So this consists of long log of wood, that is nothing but plough shaft, and it is connected to a triangular strip that is called plough share, and then it is connected to a long beam that is made up of wood, and it is connected to, that is it is connected, the beam which is situated on the neck of the pair of bulls. So this will be handled by farmers. So when they plough the field, so can turn the soil for a different purpose. That is one method that is in basic practices of crop production. That is the first one, preparation of the soil. Preparation of the soil, we have seen different methods. The major one is called ploughing or tilling.